A stroke or traumatic brain injury to one side of the brain is a life-changing event that causes the other side of the body to become super weak, completely changing the way a person walks. There's so much asymmetry. Gosh, where do we start to help this person recover? Hi, I'm Dr. Allison Wu, physical therapist and board-certified clinic specialist in neurologic physical therapy. Today, we are going to try to help you, the non-medical type person or student, to start figuring this out. This video will be largely informational and part of a bigger series on relearning to walk, so make sure you keep an eye out for more videos in this series. A moderate to severe stroke or traumatic brain injury damages one or potentially both the motor and or sensory maps in our brain. That is why half the body, face, tongue, gets so weak and or numb. For the non-medical experienced person, walking is called gait, G-A-I-T. In general, walking or gait is a series of transitions between balancing on one leg to the other while moving forward. The average individual does not typically have both feet on the ground at the same time. In slow motion, we pick up one leg, this is called swing. As the other leg swings forward and lands, the other picks up pretty quickly into swing, while we balance on the first leg in what we call stance. In slow motion, we just pick up one leg. This is my right leg. Let's follow that one as I go through swing. And as it lands, my other one starts coming up. And this one now is in stance as my left leg comes forward and swing. But just following my right leg, again, we pick it up and swing. And then stance. So we are going to focus on these two general phases of walking, swing and stance. The most important thing is that we have to help our patients fight gravity. We have to look at the swing and stance phases of the weaker leg and ask ourselves, who is winning, the leg or gravity? Ultimately, let's help our patients win against gravity. Yeah. Today we have Alex here. He suffered a traumatic brain injury almost 9 years ago. He's been participating in therapies all these years and works super hard. So we get to check out how his walking is doing, which is actually much better than it was a couple months ago. You ready, Alex?
Yeah.
Sweet. Let's look at his swing when he picks up the leg versus stance, when he stands on the leg. Remember that our question is, who is winning, gravity or him? It helps to imagine gravity pulling down the entire time from the center of his body down that leg, and then figure out what his body is doing between each phase. So I'm just doing this for sake of the video. You can see his right leg. Good. Okay. All right. On the swing phase, does he pick up the leg and swing through okay, or does it drag? Who is winning, gravity or Alex? Let's think about this. Correct, Alex. He gets the leg forward and it doesn't drag. Drags a little bit in the beginning, but he gets it up really well, so it's not going to trip him. On the stance phase, how is he standing on his weaker leg? Is it straight or is it flexed? Who is winning, gravity or Alex? His right leg flexes and turns inward. Looks like gravity is winning. Is there more to address, like his trunk and shoulders? Absolutely. That is why skilled physical therapy is so important. But today we are going to stick to key points as simple as possible to help you guys figure this out at home. Now, after looking at these, which is going to cause him to fall the most? Remember, we are figuring out what to address first, the swing or the stance phase. But does it trip you or do you get it forward pretty well?
And then forward.
It goes forward pretty well, right? So is the bigger problem the standing or the... Yeah. Okay. Let's go straight towards the sign on the wall.
Okay.
let's turn around.
I'm on the table.
We're going to the wheelchair. The scariest thing for family, friends of a patient with a stroke or traumatic brain injury is the risk of them falling and hitting their head, causing more trauma. In our next video, we will address and talk about exercises a stroke patient's wonderful family and friend can do at home to help them stand on the weaker leg better. Let us know. I love your feedback or questions in the comments box below. I'm Dr. Allison Wu. Remember, we heal smarter, not harder.